माधव कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय राधा गोकुलानंद राधा गोकुलानंद राधे जय सीताराम लक्ष्मण हनुमान सीताराम लक्ष्मण हनुमान जय राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम। जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय। जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद श्रील प्रभुपाद। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर सत श्री श्रीमद एशी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की इस्कान संस्थापकाचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की नामाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद की श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन के श्री वृंदावन धाम के श्री मथुरा धाम के मायापुर नवदीप धाम के पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम के गंगा माई के यमुना माई के श्रीमती भक्ति देवी की श्रीमती तुलसी देवी की हरिनाम संकीर्तन की गौर हरि प्रेमानंदे। All glories to assembled devotees, all glories to assembled devotees, all glories to assembled devotees। फ्री फ्री राधा गोलोकानंद जी की, फ्री फ्री सीताराम लक्ष्मण हनुमान जी की, फ्री फ्री राधा श्याम सुंदर की, फ्री फ्री कृष्ण बलराम की, फ्री फ्री निताई गौर सुंदर की, फ्री फ्री गुरु एवं गौरांग की। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगे राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले सोऽयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Today we will recite Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela, chapter 11, text 88 and 89. Or first, 88. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Govind Madhav Ghosh यही वासु घोष तीन भाईर कीर्तने प्रभु पाये न संतोष। गोविंद माधव घोष यही वासु घोष तीन भाईर कीर्तने प्रभु पाये न संतोष। गोविंद माधव घोष यही वासु घोष तीन भाई कीर्तने प्रभु पाए न संतोष। गोविंद माधव घोष यही वासु घोष तीन भाई कीर्तने प्रभु पाए न संतोष। गोविंद माधव घोष यही वासु घोष तीन भाई कीर्तने प्रभु पाए न संतोष। गोविंद माधव घोष यही वासु घोष तीन भाई कीर्तन
गोविंद माधव घोष हे वासु घोष भाई कीर्तने प्रभु पाये न संतोष।
माता जी
गोविंद माधव घोष ए वासु घोष तीन भाई कीर्तने प्रभु पाए न संतोष। गोविंद माधव घोष ए वासु घोष तीन भाई कीर्तन प्रभु पाए न संतोष।
गोविंद गोविंद घोष माधव घोष माधव घोष यही देश वासु घोष वसुदेव घोष वासुदेव घोष तीन भाई of the three brothers Kirtane in the Sankirtan Prabhu the Lord Payena Santosh and gets very much pleasure. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Translation. Here also are Govinda Ghosh, Madhav Ghosh and Vasudeva Ghosh. They are three brothers and their Sankirtan, congregational chanting, pleases the Lord very much. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Govinda Ghosh belonged to the Kayasth dynasty of the Uttararadiya section, and he was known as Ghosh Thakur. Even to the present day, there is a place named Agradweep near Katava where a fair takes place and is named after Ghosh Thakur. As far as Vasudev Ghosh is concerned, he composed many nice songs about Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and these are all authorized Vaishnava songs, like the song of Narottam Das Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Lochan Das Thakur, Govind Das Thakur, and other great Vaishnavas. And now we will repeat text 89. Raghava Pandita Iha Acharya Nandan Freeman Pandita Ei Shrikant Narayan Raghava Pandita Ei Acharya Nandan Raghava Pandita Iha Acharya Nandan Freeman Pandita Ei Shrikant Narayan Raghava Pandita Iha Acharya Nandan Freeman Pandita Ei Shrikant Narayan Raghava Pandita Iha Acharya Nandan Freeman Pandita Ei Shrikant Narayan Raghav Pandit Iha here Acharya Nandan Freeman Pandit Ei this Shrikant Narayan and also Narayan. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Translation. Here is Raghav Pandit. Here is Acharya Narayan. Nay, here is Acharya Nandan. There is Sriman Pandit, and here are Shrikant and Narayan. Purport. Narottam Das Thakur, honoring the personal associate of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as sung as follows. Prarthana 13. Gaurangera Sangi Gane Nitya Siddha Kari Mane Sejaya Brajendra Sutta Pai. One who is intelligent understand that all the personal associates and devotees of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are ever liberated. This means that because they are always engaged in the devotional service of the Lord, they do not belong to this material world. One who is engaged in the Lord's devotional service 24 hours daily and never forgets the Lord is called Nitya Siddha. Srila Rupa Goswami confirms this statement. Iha jasya harir dasya karmada manasa gira nikhila swapyavasthasu jivan mukta sa uchyate. A person acting in the service of Krishna with body, mind, intelligence and words is a liberated person even within the material world. although he may be engaged in many so-called material activities. Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 1-187. A devotee is always thinking of how better to serve Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and how to broadcast his name, fame, and qualities throughout the world. One who is Nitya Siddha has no business other than broadcasting the glories of the Lord all over the world according to his ability. Such people are already associates of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore, Narottam Das Thakur says, Nitya Siddha Kari Mane. One should not think that because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was personally present 500 years ago, only his associates were liberated. Rather, Srila Narottam Das Thakur says that anyone is a Nitya Siddha if he acts on behalf of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by spreading the glories of the holy name of the Lord. We should respect those devotees preaching the glories of Lord as Nitya Siddha and should not consider them conditioned. माम चयो व्यभिचारेण भक्ति योगेन सेवते सगुणान समतीत्येतान ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते. One who has transcended the material modes of nature is said to be on the Brahman platform. That is also the platform of Nitya Siddha. The Nitya Siddha not only stays on the Brahman platform but also works on that platform simply by accepting the associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Nitya Siddha. One can very easily go back home, back to Godhead. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki. You have given me an opportunity to speak about the associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, I speak in Hindi, but here you have given the opportunity to speak in English. So be prepared to hear in a broken English. I will not speak fluent English. So you get the sense yourself. I will be not always able to convey the message, but you have to get the message. We are reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. It is Madhya Leela. Division of Chaitanya Charitamrita is made in 3 parts. As long as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in Navadvip, his activities are described in Adi Leela. And after sannyas, his activities are described in Madhya Leela and Antya Leela. No, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas without giving information to his family members. All of a sudden, in winter season, he crossed the Ganga at midnight and went to Katwa and accept sannyas order. Or taking the sannyas of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was like a thunderbolt for Sachi Mata. You can understand the situation of Sachi Mata. He is an old lady and her husband Jagannath Mishra already had passed away. She has many daughters. She gave birth to many daughters, but none was alive. And her elder son, Vishwarup, took sannyas at the age of 11. And she didn't find any trace of his elder son. In family, only Nimai was, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was the male member. And all of a sudden, he took sannyas. It was very difficult for Sachi Mata to have life. And it was considered that without saying once again Nimai, his younger child, she can't be alive. Nityananda Prabhu arranged a meeting in the house of Advaita Acharya. Now, and he managed to bring Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to the house of Advaita Acharya, and he managed to bring Sachi Mata there. Sachi Mata was full of grief, but there was a very pleasing atmosphere for Advaita Acharya. And he was giving feast to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and other devotees who were present there. When some other grihasthas gathered there, they requested Advaita that they should get opportunity to give alms, to give prasad to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to the sannyasi. But Sachi Mata told, consider my case. I think I will not get any opportunity further to give prasad to Nimai. So I beg you all, as long as Nimai is here, give opportunity to give opportunity me to feed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You can meet Nimai on other places, but for me, there will be no chance to meet Nimai. At the request of Sachimata, all the devotees agreed. Saying the grief of Sachimata, Lord Chaitanya surrendered to her. He said, though I have accepted sannyas ashram, but I will follow you. Whatsoever place you will take to stay, I stay there. And I am behind you because this body is yours. Sachimata, considering all the things, proposed that you should go to Jagannath Puri instead of Vrindavan. Sachimata thought, if my son is in Jagannath Puri, I can get information about him because Jagannath Puri and Navdeep were related. On the occasion of Rath Yatra festival, many devotees go Jagannath Puri from Navdeep. Sachima thought, at least I will get some information about my son. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted his proposal. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told her mother, Mother, I will go to find out my elder brother. I will try to find out a Vishwarup. This was a big consolation to Sachimata. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Jagannath Puri and he started a journey of different pilgrimages in South India. And finally, he got the trace of Vishwarup, though he didn't meet him because he had already left his body. And after the tour of South India, he returned. The devotees of Jagannath Puri were very happy. But after the Snan Purnima, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu didn't get the darshan of Lord Jagannath. As you all know, after Snan Purnima, Lord Jagannath remained isolated with her wife Lakshmi Devi. So no people have darshan. It is very difficult for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to be without the darshan of Lord Jagannath. So he went to Alalnath. Alalnath is a temple some 20 kilometers away from Jagannath Puri, and the deity of Alalnath and deity of Lord Jagannath are considered to be identical. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Alalnath, maximum devotees followed him. The devotee of Jagannath Puri also went to Alalnath. But there they gave message to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that the devotees of Navdeep are coming for the festival of Rath Yatra. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu immediately sent Swarup Damodar and Govind to welcome them. And he also came. Actually, it was usual. The devotees of Navadvip meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and with great enthusiasm, they have the cleaning of Gundicha. They were, the devotees of Navadvip were around 200. So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya met the King Prataparudra to have prasad and accommodation facility for the devotees. They were gathering on Narendra Sarovar. Narendra Sarovar is lake nearby the temple of Jagannath Dev. They were gathered there, and Gopinath Acharya also met the King Prataparudra. Gopinath Acharya is the brother-in-law of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, and he has come to Jagannath Puri from Navadvip. So he knows almost every devotee of Navadvip. They both requested Prataparudra to give facility for Navadvip devotees. So, you can understand the spot devotees of Navadvip are, and nearby places, the devotees from Bengal are gathered on Narendra Sarovar. And Acharya Gopinath and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya are with the King Prataparudra. Prataparudra already has ordered the Paricha, the temple staff, to give facility to Bengal devotees. But Prataparudra wanted to have an introduction of Gaudiya Vaishnava, the devotees from Bengal. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told that you come on the roof, and actually I don't know all the devotees, so Gopinath Acharya will give the identity. So you have the idea of the scene of the story. The devotees of Bengal are gathered on the bank of Narendra Sarovar, the lake named Narendra. And the king Prataparudra and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Gopinath Acharya are on the roof. Prataparudra requested Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya to give an introduction of the devotees. But Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told Gopinath Acharya knows better, so he will give the introduction of gathered devotees. The description, the identity, the introduction of many devotees has been done. And now we will hear the introduction of some devotees. Govinda Madhava Ghosa, Yei Vasu Ghosa, तीन भाई कीर्तने प्रभु पायन संतोष. Gopinath Acharya from the roof indicating that these are three brothers. They are Govinda Ghosh, Madhav Ghosh and Vasudeva Ghosh. And about them is telling that they sing very nice. They sing very sweetly and तीना भाईर कीर्तने प्रभु पायन संतोष. Their kirtan is very pleasing to Lord Chaitanya. They sing very sweetly and it gives satisfaction to Lord Chaitanya. During the Rath Yatra festival, you will read the description that when Lord Jagannath was on the chariot, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arranged a kirtan party. There were devotees from different places, especially the Bengal devotees, Gaudiya devotees, are very expert in kirtan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu formed 7 groups for kirtan. All the groups are described in the 13th chapter of Madhya Leela. There, one group is formed with Govind Ghosh. माधव गोविंद घोष प्रधान कैल आर संप्रदाय हरिदास विष्णु दास राघव जहाँ गाय. It is described that one group was formed with the leading position of Govinda Ghosh. Actually, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu formed different groups and he appointed one leader. He will chant first and other will chanting respondingly. So, in one group, 6 singers are given, one leader and 5 responding, and 2 persons for playing mridanga. One group is headed by Govinda Ghosh. Govinda Ghosh pradhan kaila ar sampradaya. Govinda Ghosh is leading person in one group, and Haridas, Vishnudas, Raghav, and Madhav, Vasu Ghosh, these 5 persons are responding singer. Madhav, Vasudeva Ghosh, they are also the brother of Govinda Ghosh. और नित्य करेनतः पंडित बक्रेश्वर. The group where Govinda Ghosh is singing, the dance is done by Bakreshwar Pandit, and he was very expert in dancing. It is said that Bakreshwar Pandita Prabhu बड़ा प्रिय वृत्त एक भावे 24 पहर जार नित्य. Bakreshwar Pandit was so expert that he continuously danced for 22 hours, 24 prahar, 24 prahar. In one prahar, there is 3 hours. The day it consists of 4 prahar. एक भावे 24 प्रहर जार नृत्य. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was singing, Bakreshwar was dancing, and he dance continuously for 22 hours. And it begged Lord Chaitanya, give me 10,000 Gandharvas to sing. Then I will get satisfaction in dancing. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appreciated him. And you are like my wing, one wing. If I get another wing, I can fly in a sky. So, I am telling that Govinda Ghosh is a very good singer. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave leadership in one group during the Rath Yatra festival. And Prabhu bole, tumi more. And sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to dance when Govinda Ghosh sings, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself dances. Oh, they are brother. All the brother and all the three were very expert in singing. It is said that Govinda Ghosh established a temple near Katwa, or temple age, named Gopinath Temple. And actually, these three brothers were the gopis, the manjaris, in the pastimes of Lord Krishna. And when Visakha composed the poem, these three gopis recite these poems. Their name is Kalavati, Rasolasa, and Guntunga. Oh, here the introduction of three brothers is given. They are Govinda Ghosh and Raghav Ghosh and Vasudeva Ghosh. So actually, they were singers in the pastimes of Lord Krishna. In Braj Leela, Visakha composed poems and they recite those poems. And further, Gopinath Acharya is indicating to Raghav Pandit. He is telling Raghav Pandit is Acharya Nandan, Srimana Pandit is Srikant Narayan. In this pair, in this text, 5 devotees are introduced. Raghav Pandit. Raghav Pandit is very dear to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, in Braj Leela, he is Dhanistha. Dhanistha is Gopi. Dhanistha is a Gopi who arranges the food stuffs, who arranges the meals in the house of Nanda Maharaj. She assists the Jasoda. Jasoda cook different type of foods and Dhanistha present it to Krishna. And she is very expert in cooking. So in Govinda Leelamrit, it describes the different type of sweets and other eating items were prepared by Ghanistha. Actually, Ghanistha himself has come as Raghav Pandit, as in Gaur Ganodesh Deepika, it is said, Dhanistha Bhaksha Samagri Krishnaya Adat Braje Mitam Saiva Sampratam Gauranga Priyo Raghav Pandita. Raghav Pandit is very dear to Lord Chaitanya. And about Raghav Pandit, it is said that Raghav Pandita Prabhu Adi Anuchar, he is the original associate of Free Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was meeting with the Gaudiya devotees, he has given the glory of Raghav Pandit. He himself glorified Raghav Pandit, devotional service. Raghav Pandit very lovingly offered the different food different bhog to Lord. It is said that where he was residing, where Raghav Pandit was residing, there were plenty of coconut fruits. But he brings a special coconut fruits for the Lord. Though there were plenty of coconut, and in that area the coconut was rather cheaper, but Raghav Pandit arranges the best quality of coconut. May it cost a higher price. Maybe he has to collect it from a far away area, but he collected it and he put it in water for cooling, and after making a hole in 6 coconut, he offered to Lord. And it was said that sometimes all the juice was drank by Lord himself. Sometimes the coconut is full of juice, and sometime after bhoga, after offering, it is seen that there is no juice in coconut. When Lord accepted the juice, after that Raghav Pandit cut the fruit of coconut and he collected the pulp of coconut, the cream of coconut, and he put before Lord in plate. Sometimes it is seen that the plate is empty. All the coconut pulp is eaten by the Lord. And sometime after eating, Lord replaces it. Raghav Pandit is very dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Adi Anuchar. He is the original associate of Lord Chaitanya. And next is Acharya Nandan, Nandanacharya. Now, Nityananda Prabhu took birth in Radhadesh, Ikchakra, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnated himself in Navdeep. They are different places. But when Lord Nityananda got information that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has started Sankirtan movement, he came Navdeep. But he didn't meet directly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He hid himself in the house of Nandan Acharya. And Lord Chaitanya knew that Nityanand Prabhu has come. He is hiding in the house of Nandan Acharya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came there to meet Nityanand Prabhu. Gopinath Acharya is indicating, giving the introduction of Nandan Acharya. And one Sriman Pandita is Srikant Narayan. Sriman Pandit is very dear to Lord Chaitanya, and when Lord Chaitanya dances, Sriman Pandit have a deepak lamp during his dance, devotee. He arranged for light, he keeps a torch in his hand for the dance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one is Srikant. Srikant is the son of Damayanti, and he is very dear to Lord Chaitanya. Generally, the Gaudiya Vaishnava go to Jagannath Puri in group, but one Srikant went alone to Jagannath Puri, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu kept him close to him. After 2 months, he was returning to Navdeep, to Bengal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave message with him that you should say the Gaudiya Vaishnava, they will not come this year for Rath Yatra because I am coming in Gaud Kshetra in Bengal. Srikant gave the message. And Narayan, he is very dear to Krishna. He is associate of Srivas Thakur. Narayan Pandit एक बड़ा ही उदार, चैतन्य चरण बिनु नहीं जाने आर. He is the staunch devotee of Lord Chaitanya. He has no other shelter except Lord Chaitanya. Here, an introduction is given to Prataparudra. It's given to Prataparudra. And Srila Prabhupada is saying, he is reciting the verse of Narottam Das Thakur. Gaurangera Sangi Gane Nitya Siddha Karimane Sejaya Brajendra Sut Pass. These are the Nitya Mukta, the eternal associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Srila Prabhupada is telling that any person who will be dedicated to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fully can get the position of eternal associate. He is quoting the shloka from Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu, Iha Jasya Harir Dasya Karmana Manasagira Nikhila Swapya Avasthasu Jivan Mukta Sa Uchyate. Rupa Goswami, describing the Dasya Bhakti, is telling that if one is dedicated to Lord, fully dedicated, there are 3 aspects of activities. Some activities are on bodily level, some activities are on mental level, and some activities are by words, by speech. The person who is devouring fully on the all level for the satisfaction of Lord, be it mental level, means he is thinking, willing, feeling how to satisfy the Lord. And if he is engaging his speech to satisfy the Lord, and he is engaging his body for the service of Lord, or maybe he be in a lower position, in lower species, in lower socially lower status of life, but these things are not counting. He is on lower position or higher position, he is fully liberated. Oh, devotional service has power to liberate anyone. In Gita, we read, Mam cha yobhya vicharena. If one is fully dedicated, fully engaged in bhakti yoga, he goes on the platform of Brahma Bhut. So, the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Nitya Mukta, ever liberated. And the person who take them as ever liberated, he will also go to the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya. So, here we are saying the introduction of associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is given. I tried to give, to present the identity of different associates. Govinda Ghosh, Madhav Ghosh, Vasudeva Ghosh. In one text, 3 brothers, and in another text, 5 devotees. Raghav Pandit, Sriman Pandit, Nandan Achar, Srikant, and Narayan. Other description you will find in other class. Hare Krishna. Yes.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much indeed for your presentation and for your wonderful effort to describe these associates of Mahaprabhu to us and to myself, who has a very dull brain and struggles to appreciate these associates of Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's pastimes. Whenever I read Chaitanya Charitamrita, which I am doing just now, I often find myself struggling.
What type of a struggle?
It's very personal. It's not a very transcendental struggle. It's a struggle of ignorance, trying to cross the bridge into something wonderful. I was very moved. At the beginning you mentioned how normally you speak in Hindi. This is your mother tongue.
Yes.
But because you've been invited to speak, you'll...
I tried.
And you tried. So I honor that. I think you did a wonderful job. I felt very moved when you spoke about Mother Sachi and how heartbroken she was at the loss of both of her sons, one of whom took sannyas at the age of 11 and then disappeared. And then Nimai also took sannyas. And I was very moved at how she ended up staying at the home of Advaita Acharya, is that right? So that she could be close by. And also how she asked him, could you please allow me to serve him? I was very moved. it's very important for me to understand that these pastimes that are going on, it's possible for me to connect with them in emotionally. It is very important. And when I feel myself becoming emotional and possibly tearful sometimes to hear these stories, I think that I feel hopeful. I feel hopeful that I'm still alive and not dead inside. So I just wanted to say that personally, I don't think I've heard you speak. I suspect that you're possibly a resident at Krishna Balaram Mandir.
Yes,
Because I remember you're recalling the names of the deities there in the beginning also.
Yes.
So my name is Kishore Das, and I thank you very much for your presentation this morning, and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, the moment you release the pastime of Chaitanya, that is the best moment of life.
I agree.
Jagadguru Srila Prabhupada ki, Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrit ki.